Yeah, yeah. Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we. Record start chưa? Extra तो लगे तो ना. Ini आजकल trending di chat hala kana kuri na kam kuri thaka. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Ja khai ase, kam bi kuri ase. Well, kali kuri thakala table mount thing the X thing the hale dala sob to mujhe aji udu table X style banado idu duita join kurala bar banabo. Idu kuri han size te kadina randa marina join kurala banabo. So let's get on with the video. So pila na yo he ase aro. Pui kila na manu ina. Table length though entire length 6 feet ase 6.8 inches. Iman lamba ase. So table length to full length na lobo live 1 feet maybe or 10 inch space pakitina. Itu bade khataw la manawo thing do pichore khotai bi table la pichore ko. Itu table la sibule kitte bi table de thing do ina na thake na. Table la sibule do itu la thing do lo to ina thake do itu sundor thik na. Table to 6.10 inches ase believe mon 10 inch helaina 5 years. Table la legs connector do connecting bar do 5 feet club now. Okay, itu banana ni je first itu kuri kan la ending go straight puna kasi boleh. Itu kan kuri kan mil ba katina na do edge to ending do kita straight na thake na, so we have to cut it straight. Mon nijor bra manually aro straight cut na tadi ba he pita ba measure kuri na kiman dapte mon measurement lagi ase tade kadana pelai do simple just random margo joining bar pa. So Bagana halai dipo. Rocky dipo. Light pa mama. Line nai. Iku nai line na thakile mon. Hat larawa khatole paro. Which gives me an idea line na thakato aji. I think today is an excellent opportunity to teach you something about handsaw. Na kam shuru no idea to all explain kori done. Thik hai. Handsaws itu ikut nutun zaman noy. Boys and girls, downward chutu pacha so manuba pichina ase. Ara hoina mone kam handsaw. Itu almost all so manu use korle jane. Maybe some kumba badon na jane ho pare bolive. Almost also pa at least dikha to dikhiche so manu la khorde ase. Aro itu same hin nohilibe dusra Indian nishna bi dikhina thakibo. Right? Same or aro dikhai dibo ma look at this. Itu to bishi common ase market te pai apnala khor bi thakibo pare do same itu bishi common ase market te pai itu apnala khor thakibo pare itu bi different size, different functions ase mulate apne ge moi video de phama layout kuna dikhai dibo এতিয়া আপনি আনিটো ঠিকে আছে এটা মার্কেটে পালা আরাহি আছে itu crosscut saw koi which means khuri ni ase gole to grain do line jai ase to na the crosscut means across grain line jala across de kate bole la ara itu la blade khan do mon knife nishina chito banai na sharp thakibo both side na age phale bi bichi phale bi itu nishina next side de bi sharpen koda age de bi bichi de bi na thakibo same as this one itu bi crosscut saw ase lebi itu dat olop down wala ase comparatively itu lobe which means itu to rough lumber rough use nimite ase ni khushi katibole la na misamishi khuri rough kan biya kan katina kiba koribole la nimte rakha ase aru itu to olop special category ase dusra khan de itu tala backbone itu na thakibo itu to crosscut ase itu be same teeth alignment eki ase wilipi itu wala la process alag ase itu ge tenon saw ko crosscut wilipi tenon saw ko itu backbone thakaba ta katina jande rukhai dibo only 3 inches depth katibo parbo whereas itu hando back side te tala iko stopper nai backbone nai to itu wa na rukhabo you can cut throughout the material that you're using suppose itu kati ase bole itu kata do kati na niche na sabo pare khotom korina holi de itu wala do kati na itu matha ba kite yete pungjibo iman dake katibo paro ending na pungjibo itu to tenon katibole karne ase mortise and tenon joints bona damne katala ase holi bi itu ene chutu patla itu ando katibole paro Aro itu bi crosscut saw ase same ase dibi itu bi crosscut saw ase holibe tala teeth alignment do alag ase itu round lock khan down katibole nimite ase rough lumber katala ase dibi this saw serves the same purpose as this one tajon do that down ase rough lumber katala ase whereas itu wala aro itu wala to fine lumber katibole finishing bishi palo lai ton tat to kiman chuto thakibo iman fine katibole paro and this next one itu wala do rip saw ko tala tat to alag ase tala tat setting do alag ase itu han compare korna sabe tala tat settings do itu han do knife nishina chito both side te korna ase itu do chisel nishina ase straight ase aro age phale hi point korna ase itu wala do rip saw koi which means grain line in nya jala de crosscut to inya kate do na libe grain itu jala line de straight te yadiba katina straight line katina jawolila itu la saw ase rip saw which means tala do chisel nishina ase itu every teeth single teeth pra chutu khuri de material de mari na phelai na katina jawo pare nichita oh and by the way itu handle so moibar bana ase aro if in case you were wondering handsaw stikile handle do hat thurala jagado kile chutu thage gole do like most people already know how to use a handsaw but very few and experienced people know how to hold a hand plane which is apni la hat kiman dangor bi hobi itu thuru boli do hand blade thuru boli do itu charta finger bi ina halina thuru boli la karne noy do handle all hand blade handle do chutu thakibo hat hali pithore jala jaga chutu thakibo why because khali tinda finger he jaboli la se do and the index finger itu side te rakhiole itu ane apni la hat kiman dangor hoilibi handle kiman chutu nishna hoilibi only 3 fingers will go in always. The index finger has to be on the side of the handle and there is a purpose to it. See, for example, itu wala bi sebe chutu ase hat finger charta bi chali do clamp ho jana mula hat bi man down no holi still then it will clamp ho ja finger. So the main purpose of this small handle is this in the finger like the side there, and there's also a reason for that. I'll explain soon. It wala sabi it indicate grace na it do charta bi through le parabo holi main thing is it kile dina se left handed karne holi right handed karne holi tinda finger through bi it side te it rakhi same as that it be ase dangor banai free banai holi bi loss as a free banado why because my finger do hotai bi side te ne rakhi ina na kat experience are well known handsaw users kan ba sopa itu inia ko na kate itu bi ne ase freestyle banai she dangor comfortable karne huli pe inia throw lage same as that this one it be ase free hat jawle pare huli all to cramp hoy but yet be side to throw lage and the reason why example and the reason why we use only 3 fingers to hold it in and your index finger on the side of the handle is because when you're cutting wood you should be able to control your saw from left to right. When you pull and push, your saw is not a machine, so it tends to swipe left and right. So in order to control that, you have to use this finger to control from the top where it goes so that you don't cut it diagonally or slanting, and instead using this control you can cut it straight down. Itu purpose karne ase and everybody can try this. If you cannot control with your one finger you can use 2, but if you use 2 fingers your overall strength here on the push and pull stroke is limited, so it's always recommended to use 3 fingers and 1 to guide your saw. That is the real purpose why we use the index finger on the side of the handle and only 3. Now, beginners can garne very helpful tip ikado. Ita one is na 3 fingers, 1 your index finger on the side of the handle to guide you how you cut your wood, and always kata them there. Don't just use only your elbows or wrist. You have to use your entire shoulders to get a full, clean and easy cut. For example, apne ekta khuri katibole ase to khuri to rakhi kena ase, and even your stance matters, how you stand in front of your material that you cut. So I'm left-handed, so my right leg is on the front and my left is on the back. Position bi bishi important ase katibole aramba katibole mile. And my right hand is free, so I can hold it down on the material, place my saw and then start cutting away. And when I start cutting, I don't do this, just the elbow and the wrist motion. No, this is wrong. Actually, in your consideration, the best way how to do is all of the stands legs apart, kata than the entire body and shoulder move. Ina kole tukpi bishin na bawo aramba kati bole parbo rati dibi tok na bawo morning tok na ba aro extra manu bi na lagebo tila hat aro thingan malish kodu na bichile. So the extra tip, even the stance, how you stand and work with your material matters in woodworking. At the end of the day, the ultimate goal is काम तो कोरिले भी तुक ना पाए ना आराम बाकुरी कुतुम हाला इतो से तो गोल दो কাম কৰিব ৰাতিতে তোক পাব কালি মৰ্নিং উঠিব নাপাৰিব গাঁও পিখাব নেক্সট ডে কাম কৰিব নাপাৰিব উঠিলে এইটোতো কাম কৰিব যাবলৈ নাপাৰিব চ' কামটো কিমান দিন দি কৰি লিবি ৰাতিতে তোক নাপাব মৰ্নিং দি তোক নাপাব আৰু উঠিনা নেক্সট ডে আৰু কণ্টিনিউ কৰিব এনাফ কৰিব পাৰিব লাগে বাট অফ কোৰ্চ ফৰ বিগিনাৰ্ছ ইটছ গোইং টু বি আ লিটল পেইনফুল when you start working whole day but as you keep on working কাম কৰি না every day যাইছো বুলি তো আস্তে আস্তে যাইছো বুলি তো 9 to 5 morning 9 to 5 ৰাতি কন্টিনিউয়াস কাম কৰিলে আদত হৈ যাব বিচি তো একো দিগদাৰ নাপাব আৰাম কৰিব পাৰিব keep that noted এইটো বলে ইউজ কৰো মই আজি দোসৰা খান সব তো এইটো ইনে সাইডে ৰাখি দিব এইটো বলে ইউজ কৰো এইটো সব নতুন আছে এইটো আনি ইউজ কৰিব মই নতুন ইউজ কৰিলে মন না এইটো বলে ইউজ কৰোঁ একটা টেস্টিং কাটিনা দেখাব দে আৰু খুৰিলতে কাম কৰাতে টেবল ওয়ার্ক বেঞ্চ তে সামান ৰাখিনা মেটেৰিয়েল ৰাখিনা কাটিবলৈ হলে it's very important that your material does not move midway your cut because if it moves your cut might get skewed তেৰা মেৰা কাটিব পাৰে so to work piece to it's very important it does not move so clamp rakhi that way you can use as much clamps as you want mostly more than enough clamp kuna rakhina nahilibo na to kata dam dibi nahilibo ending the last day straight kuna follow kata bole paro so let's cut I'll bring the camera closer and show you how to start your first cut on the line hotai kata manon karne do itu line mon agide taki dina thalo line do itu hotai kata manon karne do hat pai na thrina age thrina so do line tik te rakhibo ha line libi itu line tik te rakhibo mukto raise it up use your thumb finger to guide the saw and start cutting will be itu hotai kata manon karne ase new woodworkers or those who are just starting out or beginning to practice handsaw tahan karne moi ekta quick and easy tip ekta dibo iduni misamishi off cut katina phela la ekta khuri ase itu holibi ekta side te sai jole to at least katina phela ekta side te to straight thakibo to itu straight to itu wala instead of using your fingers because new workers kan do hat to phalwa na rakhe ne na kore kite bado kate na jana hati be katibo pare na which is dangerous don't do that apne beginner ase new woodworker ase bole use something like this ekta side straight thaka like that sabi itu straight line do itu line de rakhibi place it like this line no so de na rakhibi inya kurina so do it will help you in a guide corner niche dive to line thick row and then you can start sewing and remember not just your wrist or your elbows entire shoulder hilina movement thakina katibo lage stance khara korala stance beshi important ase so start cutting it olop kata bichdi to taki banai leshina you can remove it simple othana sai sabi line thick de ase kole to wapas halibi and then start cutting and remember if your handsaw moves left or right you can always use your index finger which is placed on the handle to always guide it through to correct your course as you cut through let's cut it full joro marichil last day katina olaise check of course moi apni ye dikha karne ekdam accurate to katule na parna bhi thakibo pare but still then this is a very clean cut for testing or a tutorial and we can check the straightness of this edge using a dry square so for example you put it on bring it down check. Gap asna nice SAV. Gap ikunai. Perfect cut. So, ladies and gentlemen, aji line naha karne ekta ajila video to khale ekta educational video ekta hoise. Hope you learned something. Line aha bisite machine use kuna katibo pare olive naha tak to moi do khati dahibo. So ajila video to ekta tutorial ho jase educational video ekta ho jase kam korala noina, but I hope you really did learn something new today. And if you already knew how to use a handsaw, all the better to just revise your knowledge. And also, if some of you viewers know better ideas and better tips on how to use a handsaw, you can comment down below and let me know. I'll be very grateful to learn something new. Maybe nutun someone shiki will be interested ase. Same as that, shiki will interested in na moi ki jane itu viewers kan nale kon kon hoile shiki will mon jada mano thaki chori to sob ke shikawole mon ase dikhawole mon ase. So let's exchange ideas and make this world a better place. Message to mon down jase hoile be kam do kotha kore thele kam do no na. So ajila video yate khatam koribo aji tutorial ho jase. So please don't mind about that. Instead, I'm hoping that tutorial pado itue phawala hoise apne karne. So moi kam korina jabo aji video yate khatam koribo. So please like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow on the next video.